And for today's topic, nothing less and nothing more, 3 mistakes you can avoid in order to have a successful rent-to-rent service accommodation business and also clean property. My name is Vincent Hovorka and I'm your property and mindset coach. Three mistakes to avoid when it comes to hiring a cleaning company and also when it comes to you. Mistake number 1, you want to do it yourself. It's very often when people get their first deal, they don't want to have it too far away. They feel like, I need to be close because what if something happens and I'm not there? Are you taking this deal to be slave in that business, or do you want to go for holidays for 2 weeks and have a business which is running without you? You need to answer those questions. I'm creating my own business that it works for me and I can go for holidays, I can do stuff, I can enjoy life. So for me it doesn't matter if the deal is in London, if it's in Edinburgh, if it's in Wales. I don't care. Important is to put the right principles in place. And I know many of you are just starting and you want to have the deal maximum 15 minutes driving distance, and that's the first mistake, I would say, because there is not that many deals that will be around you. But let's say you find one and you have one, congratulations. But now you are feeling like, oh, it's very close, I'm gonna put cleaning £80 per stay and I can actually do it myself, and you're gonna be going for a cleaning. And you're gonna be making as a cleaner 15-17 pounds an hour. But in reality, how long did it take you to find this deal? How many viewings have you done? Let's say you've done 20 viewings and you spent 20 hours doing that. Let's say another 10 hours for some research. So you spent 30 hours and you found this one amazing deal, and now you are cleaning your deal. Let me put some numbers together. What about you spend this 30 hours again and you found another deal, and if you don't want it, just sell it. But you sell it for £3,000, which means it's a £100 an hour you spent finding this deal. But you are cleaning your property for £17 an hour. Do you want to be making £100 an hour or £17 an hour? I think I know the answer. But there is so many people, they still want to clean their properties because they want to have a control. My advice, don't be a control freak. You need to let go. You need to train your people. Mistake number 2. Cleaning company doesn't want to pay you for your refunds. And what I mean, not any refunds, but I mean guests will arrive to your property and property is not cleaned. They are missing towels or it's not clean at all. And the guest gets angry. Let's say he stays for one night and you charge him £150. And he stayed for one night. He should stay for one night, but he's not feeling great about this because he came to the dirty house and now he's calling you, he's angry, and he's saying that he wants a full refund and he's going away. I have a management company, and of course, if the cleaners didn't do a good job, we're gonna tell our guest, I'm sorry, of course, find your new apartment, we apologize, sincerely apologize, and we're gonna send him a full refund because it was our fault. And if the cleaner told us, yeah, of course, you don't need to pay me the cleaning. What cleaning? You've not been there. So there was no cleaning done. So this is a stupid answer. You're gonna be covering whole refund, because if you don't, we're not gonna be working with you, because we want the cleaners who are taking their job seriously. If the cleaner doesn't clean and he forgets and we need to give a refund, it means that our investors suffer. So we need to make sure everything's in order. So after a few things like that happened with our deals in the past, we have this rule with all our cleaners and they all agreed because they know they have to clean it and they have to do a good job. Mistake number 3. Cleaners, they don't want to do your stock up. They don't want to go to the shops for it. For example, you run out of toilet paper and they'll call you, there's no toilet paper. So what? Are you gonna go and you're gonna be shopping for them and bringing over there? No, that's stupid. It's not systemized. You need to let them do those things. Yeah, you pay them extra. You pay them for the fuel going there and some time they spend in the shop and buying for things. That's okay. Or have a different person to do that. But in our scenario, it's our cleaners because they know what is there and what is not. They know what is missing. So why they wouldn't be doing it? So all our cleaners, they are happy to go to the shops. We pay them extra for doing that because somebody needs to do that, and that's it. These are 3 biggest mistakes to avoid when you are hiring a cleaning company and when it comes to you. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe, because next video it's gonna be about channel manager. Maybe you are not even sure what is channel manager. You don't know if it's a manager, if it's a person, or if it's a software, or you think it's both. Let me tell you in the next video. Have an amazing day and thank you very much for watching.